The first one, guys, is avoid send funds between your airdrop wallets. If you are using multiple wallets, you need to always avoid send tokens or NFTs between those wallets. Each of your airdrop wallets should be as isolated as possible, so never do that. That means if you have one wallet in your Chrome extension on MetaMask and you have another wallet in Firefox on your Coinbase extension and you are applying to an airdrop with both wallets, you never should send funds between those wallets. Always keep your airdrop wallets isolated. The second point is fund your airdrop wallets correctly. Many people sometimes put money into Binance, for example, and from there they start to sending funds to 10, 20, 30 or 50 wallets to make farming airdrops, and that is not a good strategy. That is really easy to see in the blockchain and get to the conclusion that all those wallets are connected, and for that reason you are going to be blacklisted